Happy New Year and welcome back to Metalmania 3D TV. I'm your host KC, and in today's show we have our entry into the Mad Gases group kit build at Mike's Model Shop, and also what I got for Christmas and a few other little surprises. So we'd love you to stick around. Righto, so there you go. There you have it. It's called Dino. It's Don Nicholson's Eliminator 2 Mercury Cyclone. But firstly, I'd like to welcome all of our new subscribers and our watchers and the people that thumbs up, and also our old faithful subscribers. And I would also love to take this opportunity to wish you a happy 2023 and hope everything goes to plan or even better. So this is our entry into the Mad Gases group build with Mike's Model Shop, up on the screen, and the link in the description down below. Click, click, and you'll be able to go straight there. I'm a little bit late. This started on the 5th of January, but I'm getting there slowly. I'm also doing my updates and my next part for the 1959 Chrysler Imperial. You'll see updates of that come across there for the fat fenders, fins and chrome group build with time machine scale models. Alright, so I won't need to do an unboxing on this little beast here, because if you slip over the Mike's Model Shop, we're actually hosting the Mad Gases build. He's just done, just a day ago or 2 days ago there, an unboxing of that exact same kit. So be sure to slip over and check it out, and if you've got a kit, why not join in? That would be so cool. So we'll be right back after this commercial break. And as you can see there, first one up, the little Isuzu 1600 Bellette GTR type. Really cool little cars. Quick little story, when I was driving tow trucks down in the Redlands area in Queensland, Capalaba, Thornside, all of them areas down there, Vicky Point, all that sort of stuff there. Anyway, cut a long story short, is to do night shift in the tow trucks there, and the guy at the 24-hour garage had one of these, but in a 4-door, and I actually really got to have a good look at them. They're actually really a cool little car, and geez, when they're done up, geez, they fly like a little rocket. Alright, let's get the next one up. And as you can see, Nissan King Cab, 1/20th scale, a little bit bigger than the 1/24/25. And that last little Bellette, it was a 1/32 scale, so it's still a nice cool scale. It's easy on the eyes. I actually have a real one of these, one-on-one. Mine's a flat, very flat faded red, but mine's not the 4x4, but the body and everything else in this kit there is exactly the same as mine, so I'll be able to make up a replica car of my pickup that I have out the front. So how cool is that? Get a chance to be able to do that when we can with my own vehicles that I've had. Alright, let's get the next one up. Another little awesome beastie. Now mine wasn't a low rider, but mine was the same Datsun model as that. I didn't have a tub on the back, I had a tray on the back. So and mine was also light blue metallic. So for me to replicate that car there, I'm going to actually cut the back off it. I'll probably turn it into a box trailer or something like that. And I'll put a tray on the back there so it matches the one that I had. And also I'll get the same paint coat. How sweet. Alright, let's get the next one up. How cool is that? Toyota Hilux RN30. Same deal, I had one of those, not like that of course. Mine was the light pale yellow that they came out in. I can't remember the exact paint code. And it also had a tray on the back, no tub. So I always wanted to try and find a tub for that car, but I had no chance. Maybe I might even leave the tub on it so I don't have to keep modifying everything. But how cool are these? And also let us know in the comments if you'd like to see an unboxing on any one of these kits there. I'm more than happy to do that if you would like to see what you get in these kits. There is quite a few of them out at the moment and especially on the internet for sale, and some of them are quite vintage so you can't get certain ones, but never know, you luck, keep trying and you'll end up finding something for sure. Alright, we'll grab the next one. You've already seen part of the next one, so I won't show you too much of it because it was in our Christmas video. And there's that U-Beauty 1/12 scale there, the Land Rover kit. There's no glue involved in this. This is all bolted and screwed together and everything else, and to get it all running and so far on the RCs. So it keep me out of trouble when I don't need to play with glue. I can go back to that one and back and forth there, so stay tuned for them updates. We do have plenty more stuff coming. I will show you very secretly and quickly a couple of other little projects that we're working on, which will come out in our next episode, which we will have a few car shows. Our HobbyLink International first kit build entry, we will show you that there, and we'd love you guys to join in. I'll tell you about that in the other video. Our NASCAR group build as well. I know I've got a few of them coming up and going along, but they've all got long time dates, so that suits me perfectly. Well, I'll show you this other little secret. Here we have it, the little bit of a sneaky Aussie kit surprise. These are projects that we're working on with a designer guide, two different ones of course, and as you can probably notice there, you can see the HQ coupe up the back to the left with the blower, VC Commodore, could be a block car, whatever how you'd like to make that car. You've got a HQ two-door coupe. You've also got Mad Max here. You've also got the little one in 164. These are 164s, that's a Tirana hatchback, HR. You also got a Valiant RT. That's a second of course because there's a hole in the back of the body. But all of the ones that are coming out, stay tuned for the video. Falcon Coupe as well, the XB, old FX Holden. You've got the MFP Police out of Mad Max. We've also got window kits, so stay tuned for that video coming out. Okay, we hope you enjoyed the show today. Thanks very much for watching. We do appreciate it. We'd love you to subscribe. Hit the subscription down below and that notification bell. That would be absolutely awesome. And we will keep bringing you as much as we possibly can under the circumstances. As with my health, I'm getting treatment at the home and cancer clinic, and we'll just keep going. I have my good days and my bad days, and but anyway, every day above ground is a good day. So there's a lot of people out there worse than what I am. But in the meantime, take care, look after yourselves, and we'll catch us again on the next one. And as Mike from Mike's Model Shop would say, see ya!